This is a collapsible fan that is portable and great for traveling. This is a little over a year old and it works wonderfully. Let me just kind of show you a little bit about this fan. So this is about 8 inches wide, 3.5 inches high. So it's really easy to store. You can fit it into a drawer, you could fit it into a cabinet. And then there's a charging cord that comes right inside here, a regular USB plug-in. You plug this end into the side of the fan and you can charge it. Once it's all charged, it'll run for about 10 to 12 hours on the battery, which is so nice. So it's very portable. So you can use it camping or by your bed at night, and you don't have to have it plugged in. Now it stands, this is the smallest height that it stands, but you can expand this all the way up to 40 inches. So you can easily set this on the floor to use it as well. Now, one of the things that I think is a fantastic feature is how quiet this fan is. So let me just show you. This is how you turn it on. There's a little button here. It's got 4 speeds. So when you push this on, it turns it on. And now this is the low speed. And just listen to that. It's so quiet. And then you push it, you double click it, and now it goes up to the 2nd speed. Still very quiet. And then there's a 3rd faster speed, which, oh yeah, see? Oh, that's beautiful. Now the 4th speed is like the natural wind. And so it will run and then it'll stop. Just like that. Almost like a natural breeze if you were sitting outside. And then you click it off. Now this works great. You could have this sitting on your nightstand next to your bed. You could have it on an end table next to you when you sit. If you travel in an RV, this would be really convenient because it folds up so small. You could even fit this in your luggage and take it with you to use in a hotel if you're traveling. And then when you're done with it and you want it out of the way, you fold this down, you fold that in, and this clicks back like so, and it clicks into place. And there you have it. So convenient and so nice. I love this fan. I hope that you found this review helpful. Now, if you'd like to purchase this fan, there's a link in the description for you to find it. And if you did find this video helpful, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel.